कृष्ण कृष्ण महाबाहो भक्तानाम् अभयंकरं त्वमेको दह्यमानानाम् अपवर्गोऽसि संसृतेः. This shloka is spoken by Arjuna. Actually, this is the first prayer in Srimad Bhagavatam. First prayer is actually offered by Arjuna to Lord Krishna. The context is that Ashwathama, the son of Dronacharya, killed the 5 sleeping sons of Draupadi. These 5 sons of Draupadi are very young boys and they were sleeping and they were not in a mood or they were not prepared to fight. They are not in a battlefield. Violating all the codes of religious war, Ashwathama shamelessly went and killed these 5 sleeping sons. He thought that Duryodhan may be pleased with this, but even Duryodhan also is not very happy with this. So Kurukshetra war is almost completed. So Ashwathama did this heinous act and Draupadi started crying. So seeing Draupadi weeping in separation from her beloved sons, Arjuna took a vow. My dear Draupadi, whoever has killed your 5 sons, I am going to arrest him and I will cut his head. You can stand on his head and take bath. So he has taken vow and he started chasing Ashwathama. So Lord Krishna, who is the chariot driver of Arjuna, he took up his role and he started driving Arjuna. So in Srimad Bhagavatam, Lord Krishna is introduced as the chariot driver. That is the first pastime which is described where Krishna is involved. He introduced himself as a chariot driver of Arjuna. So Krishna was driving and Arjuna was chasing Ashwathama. Ashwathama understood this combination of Krishna and Arjuna is extremely fearful to the enemies. Ashwathama has seen this personally in the Kurukshetra war. Wherever Krishna is there, wherever Arjuna is there, victory must be there only. So Ashwathama ran away for his life. So he ran and at one point he understood that I cannot protect myself from this Krishna and Arjuna. So Ashwathama, not knowing what to do, just to save his life, he released a Brahmastra. Brahmastra is a very powerful weapon and Ashwathama did not even have the knowledge to retract this Brahmastra. But he released the Brahmastra out of his desperation to protect himself. Then Arjuna saw this great effulgence coming because of Ashwathama's release of Brahmastra. So Arjuna was a little bewildered. Arjuna took shelter of Krishna. In bewilderment, great devotees like Arjuna naturally take shelter of Krishna, very spontaneously take shelter of Krishna. So Arjuna asked Krishna, Krishna, what is the source of this effulgence? In that context, Arjuna offered this prayer. Krishna Krishna Mahabaho Bhaktanam Abhayankara. Krishna Krishna, out of great excitement or great devotion, devotees may take the name of Krishna twice. Krishna Krishna Mahabaho, O mighty armed Krishna, Bhaktanam Abhayankara. You are the one who causes fearlessness to all your devotees. Abhaya means fearlessness. Bhaktanam Abhayankara. Tvam eko dahyamananam apavargosi samsritehe. You are the only Lord who can protect, who can rescue people who are rotting in this material world. You are the only person who can protect all the conditioned souls who are being burnt in the miseries of material existence. So, being in the cycle of repeated birth and death, in this transmigration cycle, is like being in a forest fire, being burnt in a forest fire. So, only Krishna can protect us from this predicament. So, Arjuna offered this beautiful prayer to Krishna, seeking his guidance how to counteract this Brahmastra released by Ashwathama. In fact, Arjuna did not even know that Ashwathama released the Brahmastra. Later, Krishna told Arjuna that this effulgence or this great heat that you are seeing now is because of Ashwathama's Brahmastra. So then, in this way, Arjuna took shelter of Krishna by offering this prayer. Hare Krishna.
For more such devotional programs, please watch Hare Krishna television. To get this channel, please contact your cable or DTH operator. For more information, please call 8767 845 845.